Just make sure your machine is switched on. A fill button will be popping up, icon will be popping up. Then you can chuck in the water from the top. Yeah, right down there. Push it in, and then cover the lid. You got your preset temperature, 65 degrees, and the other one will be 80. You can reduce it if you want to, and it'll go back to default. Yeah, so 65 would be ideal temperature for most coffee and milk that you want to use. At this point, we just press P1, which is the default setting, and just hit the steam button. You'll start steaming, and once it reaches 65 degrees, it will stop. There we go. You just have to make sure the nozzle's hitting the tip of the milk, and you should be good to go. Don't overfill it. This will be perfect. Somewhere in the middle is always good. There we go. Reach 65 degrees, it automatically stops. Silky, silky smooth. Check that out. 1 second. Once the milk is done, just give it a nice wipe first before it gets all sticky. And then you just press the purge button. Just give it a nice purge. And that's pretty much it. Just wipe it off, make sure it's clean, and just wipe the bottom. And there you go. Perfect cup of milk.